Welcome to the Englishman RV YouTube channel. I created this channel to try and provide some guidance to new and not so new RVers on upgrades and other experiences I have had with our RV and my thoughts about them, good or bad. Full disclosure, I am not sponsored in any way by the manufacturers or products I cover. In this video, we are going to talk about door locks and why I changed the standard lock on our RV to the CARMTEK 10-digit door lock. I obtained this lock from Amazon for around $200 and will provide a link in the description below. My curiosity into researching and purchasing a new door lock was driven by the day I took my RV in for some warranty work. I parked the RV, and when booking in I offered the clerk the RV keys and was told he did not need them. I told him the RV was locked and he said they can unlock it anyway. I then researched the manufacturer's door locks and was surprised to find out that the locks used are pretty much standard and the keys can easily be purchased as there are a limited number of combinations. So if you have a standard RV lock, chances are someone will have a key that will open your RV door. So after some detailed research and various product reviews, I decided on the CARMTEK 10-digit lock. Reasons I chose this lock came down to basically a few specific features. This product has 10 individual digit buttons. Some models only have 4 buttons with shared digits, which gives significantly less possible combinations for the code, and given about a $40 difference, I really liked this feature. And it is my personal feeling that this makes the lock buttons easier to navigate. The keys which come with the lock are uniquely coded and secure with significant number of possible combinations. The product description states that the keys provided are uniquely coded to that lock. As far as the remote key fob is concerned, this is something I thought I wanted. The biggest problem I have had with the key fobs is that they work for up to 80 feet. I seem to be unable to have the keys in my pocket without accidentally pressing the lock or unlock buttons. Once on a travel day we arrived at the site only to find the door partially unlocked. Fortunately, I do always double lock the door with the keys when traveling, so the deadbolt was still on. So although I have the option to deactivate this feature, I am still deciding if there is a significant benefit. The only thing I do like is at night you can just press the unlock on the key fob instead of trying to locate the keys on the keypad. The keypad does light up on the first key, but if you press the wrong key in the dark, you have to start entering the combination all over again. The interior of the lock has dual lock levers, which individually operate the lock and the deadbolt. This is a feature I really like and definitely gives an added sense of security at night. I like the sound option, mainly because when you unlock the door using the keypad or the fob, it actually takes a short while to fully operate the unlocking mechanism. And if you try to open the door before it's completed the cycle, it will not open. So wait for the beeps to be done before you try to open the door. Also, when locking the door, it gives an audible cue that the door is fully locked. As far as installation is concerned, this was actually very simple and only took a few minutes. After removing the existing lock, the new one fit the old location perfectly. Although if you are purchasing this lock, please pay specific attention to the information related to the existing lock position and size to ensure it fits. The only challenge I had was lining up the mechanism between the outside and inside components. As far as tools are concerned, all you need is a screwdriver. We have been using this lock for almost a year now. Some of the pros I have are it's very simple to use and install, large easily accessible buttons, sound feature confirms locking and unlocking when using electronic feature, interior lock and deadbolt, and key fob allows operation from a distance. As far as cons are concerned, key fobs are also a con, as the buttons are very sensitive and, as I said, can be pressed when carrying the keys either in your pocket or in your hand. Another con is the unlocking time. When using the electronic unlock digits or key fob, it does take a short while for the mechanism to fully operate. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. To get notified of updates and changes to content, please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.